Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to play chess on Duolingo, so let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Duolingo app in your phone, and when it opens, you'll land on this main learning screen where you usually continue your language lessons. Now, you want to look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a small flag icon showing the language you're currently learning. You want to tap on that flag, and then a menu will pop up showing different courses and options available on your account. From here, you want to look for the chess option and tap on it. And once you enter the chess section, Duolingo will ask you a few quick setup questions. These are actually just to understand your experience level. You might be asked whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player. So just choose the option that fits you best. Next, Duolingo will ask where you want to start. You can either begin from the basics or let Duolingo recommend a starting point based on your answers. And if you're new to chess, starting from the beginning is the best choice so you learn all the rules step by step. And after that, just go ahead and click continue and the chess learning interface will load. From here, you'll learn chess through short lessons, interactive moves, and simple challenges that make learning fun and easy. And that's about it. That's how you can start playing and learning chess directly inside Duolingo. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!